Ready to boost your Poshmark sales this Black Friday and holiday season? The latest holiday trend report from Poshmark US reveals exactly what shoppers are searching for, and I've got your complete strategy guide so you can capitalize on these trends. So let's start with why this holiday season matters. So holiday sales are projected to reach 1.78 trillion, which is an 8% increase from last year. So 75% of shoppers are planning to shop promotional events, and 69% of people are open to secondhand gifts. These are the top trending categories based on the report that you need to be stocking up on right now. Sweater dresses, suede boots, barn jackets, and burgundy bags. Viral accessories and beauty, we have Alex and Annie charm bracelets, Longchamp mini totes, vintage brooches, and Jeffree Star beauty products. There's a massive jump in popularity with his lip products especially. If you are a luxury and designer reseller, Louis Vuitton Neverfull inside-out totes are trending, Dior tote bags are trending, Hermes scarves are trending, and YSL crossbody bags are very popular right now. So now that we know what's really trending in all categories, these are my top strategy tips for helping you make maximum sales based on the findings from this holiday report. Number one, you want to price competitively for Black Friday. So focus on value-conscious shoppers, bundle deals for multiple items, so make sure your bundle discount is great. Highlight the savings offered compared to retail. Number two, optimize your listing. So you want to use trending search terms in your titles. You want to mention keywords holiday shoppers are typing in to find these items in your descriptions. Number three, focus on hot categories. So you want to source and list transitional pieces. Stock up on personalized accessories and include popular luxury items at competitive prices if you're a luxury reseller. Number four, you want to highlight sustainability. So emphasize eco-friendly aspects like your shipping and packaging materials, market to conscious consumers, and package your items in a gift-friendly but eco-friendly way. Here are your action items for Black Friday prep. Review your inventory for trending items and make sure they are looking their absolute best and are ready to sell. Update your listings with seasonal keywords and phrases. Create gift-worthy bundle discounts that make people want to add more to their cart. Plan your Black Friday promotions early, meaning you want to get it figured out this week so you can start implementing it ASAP. And also photograph your items in holiday settings to spice things up, but still keep it on brand for your business. Lastly, emphasize gift-giving potential in descriptions by suggesting who your items could be perfect for. Remember, the earlier you prepare, the less stressful things will be. Start implementing these strategies now to maximize your holiday season sales potential.